This is how I make pickles, which stay crunchy, firm, and can stay in the pantry for years. I have prepared the cucumbers and I will wash them first. Soak the cucumbers in cold water for several hours, because that's how they regain their firmness, tighten up, and later remain much crispier in the jar. Now I need washed and clean jars. I will use 750 milliliter jars. I add a few peppercorns to each jar. Dill, mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 5 spoons of alcoholic vinegar, 9%. I cut the cucumber into jars. I pour cold water into the jar to cover the cucumber. I'll wipe the top of the jar. We close the jars with clean lids. I need a saucepan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. I put the jars in the pot. I pour water up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. I'll wait for the water to boil. When the water boils, I will pasteurize it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of pasteurization, I remove the pan from the stove. I will leave the jars to cool completely in the water. When the jars are completely cooled, the center part of the lid must sink in. I store the jars in a dark and cool place, preferably in the basement. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends.